We need to change 7 yards and 5 feet and 9 inches to inches. First we will change 7 yards to inches, then we will change 5 feet to inches, and then we will add all the inches together. First we are changing 7 yards to inches. In order to do that, we need to identify conversion factors. What conversion factors will help us to change yards to inches? We can pick up any conversion chart and find that 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. And that 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. Very good. So first we will change 7 yards to feet and then to inches. Let's do that. So write 7 yards as a fraction, 7 yards over 1, and prepare to multiply. We are going to take this conversion factor, 1 yard equals 3 feet, and plug it in such a way that our original units, yards, will cancel out and we will be left with feet. We see yards are on top in the numerator, so we will put yards in the denominator so they cancel out. And we will put feet in the numerator on top. So our original units, yards, cancel out and we are left with feet. Now let's plug in numbers. 1 and 3 goes here. But do not stop because we need to go directly to inches. So we take our second conversion factor, 1 foot equals 12 inches, and plug it in such a way to get rid of feet and be left with inches. So we have feet on top in the numerator. So we will put 1 foot in the denominator, so our feet cancel out, and 12 inches in the numerator. Now we do the math. So return all the way to the beginning and pick up all the numbers. We have 7 times 3 times 12 inches over 1 times 1 times 1. So here we are multiplying. 7 times 3 is 21 times 12 is 252 inches. So we change 7 yards to 252 inches. Very good. I love it. Now let's change 5 feet to inches. So 5 feet over 1, and we prepare to multiply. And we take our conversion factor, 1 foot equals 12 inches, and plug it in such a way that our feet will cancel out. We have feet on top, so we will put 1 foot on the bottom and 12 inches on top. And here, feet cancel out and we are left with inches. It's exactly what we need. Now we just multiply. 5 times 12 inches over 1 times 1. So 5 times 12 is 60, 60 inches over 1, or just 60 inches. So we found that 5 feet is equal to 60 inches. Now we just need to add all the inches together. Let's do it. 252 inches plus 60 inches plus 9 inches. 9 inches were given in the beginning. 252 plus 60 plus 9 will give us 321 inches. Very good. And that is the answer. I love it. So we have 321 inches.